Hey everyone, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. I hope you guys are super well. I started my week off. My first Monday morning thing I did was I got a smear test, which was a little uncomfortable, and I always feel like a little bit violated, but it has to be done. So yeah, if any of you are due a smear test and you're putting it off, go and get it done. It's amazing that we get offered it for free. So yeah, it's definitely something that you should do. Is it every 3 years? I think it's every 3 years, because I think that was my third one now. And literally, bless, the woman was so sweet and friendly. She even made a joke. She was like, "Oh, not what you want to be doing first thing on a Monday." Like, she made me feel really comfortable, and she was literally in, out, done. Literally lasted about 3 minutes. As in me getting into the room and leaving, it took about 3 minutes, I'm not gonna lie. It was really quick. So yeah, actually not a bad experience at all. So yeah, I would understand if someone is putting it off, because, you know, it's not the most pleasant thing to do. And I'm not gonna lie, I do feel a little bit uncomfortable. But I mean, I'm sure they've seen hundreds of vaginas, so it's all good. Anyway, guys, I'm about to film a YouTube video. I am doing a bit of a Sophie Hannah hair journey video, and I'll hopefully answer a lot of your questions in that video. I'm going to talk about literally from day one of starting this brand up until now. So a lot to talk about, but I've got my notebook, I've got my notes written down, got the product. So yeah, I'm just going to chat for however long, and then it's going to take me a while to edit, because I want to put in like behind the scenes clips and all the images and like video clips that I got from me testing the product and stuff. So yeah, really informative, but I feel like it will just really kind of show you guys how the brand started and why I'm doing it, and just my thought process behind it all. So I think it'll be really interesting. Anyway, it's going to get filming now, and I will check back in with you in a bit. Whilst I was filming, look what arrived. Ordered the new iPhone, and oh my god, I'm so excited for this, because I saw someone that did the like cinematic mode like on the camera on this, and it looked incredible. So I needed, because I wasn't going to order it, but then I saw that and I was like, no, need this phone for all the content. So yeah, so excited about this. Although now I'm going to have to transfer phones over, so I feel like this is going to take me a while to do. So I think I might just like spend a few weeks doing this, because I've still got TikToks loaded up on my old phone, and I don't want to lose those, and drafts on Instagram as well. So I'm going to have to wait until they're posted, otherwise I'll lose them, and that would just be horrendous. Also, isn't it crazy that they literally just give you a phone and a cable now? They don't give you a plug, they don't give you headphones anymore. Feel like Apple are just so cheeky at making you spend money at Apple. Obviously, I've still got like my old chargers and stuff, but it's always good to just have another one, isn't it? Like, I remember you'd get another one, or you'd get new headphones, and it was just quite handy. It's just so cheeky of them. Guys, I've had another stressful day. Wow, honestly, I feel for anyone that has a business that is selling product. Wow, it's actually crazy. Like, I was actually watching Sarah Ashcroft's vlog the other day, and I saw her getting really teary because she had like a lot of stock missing, a lot of stock turned up and it was wrong, and like, it is actually really, really stressful. Just had news today that basically some of the packaging for the product has been delayed, so I'm hoping to God it doesn't get delayed, like the launch doesn't get delayed for the brand. I haven't actually declared a date of when the launch is, thank God, just because anything like these things behind the scenes could potentially go wrong before the launch date. So I want to know that everything's in the UK and ready to go, and at the distribution place, ready to be posted before telling you guys obviously the date of the launch, because I wouldn't want to say it's launching on a date and then it doesn't, because it just doesn't look good. So having a few different shipment issues, but hopefully by the end of this vlog I'll be able to tell you the date of when it's launching. But right now, what will be, we're Tuesday the 7th of December. Yeah, it is meant to be launching next week, but we shall see. Yeah, it might get delayed, But basically, it's also delayed my PR packaging. So I've decided to send my PR packaging without the box, like the outer box for the brand. Just because I think the influencers really just need the actual like hair dye product and the dye kit in the bowl. Really, it kind of saves on recycling, to be honest, by not sending them the outer packaging. So yeah, I feel like that's actually being a bit sustainable, really, by not sending them the outer box. But they'll be able to see the outer box, obviously, on the website when it launches and everything. But I just want to get the product out to them because I know they're going to love it. And obviously, from a marketing point of view, I'd rather send out the PR boxes before it's launched because it's a good marketing tactic of, you know, I might get some stories from some influencers tagging Sophie Hannah Hair on their profile, and it's just going to boost the launch, basically. So, yeah, I want to get the product out to all of my influencers, and I've got some amazing influencers that I'm sending to, some big hair dye girls. So yeah, excited to send it out. But I'm feeling a little bit sick again because today is the post of telling everybody that it's hair dye and me sharing the first ever tutorial that I'm going to do of me dyeing my hair, actually showing Sophie Hannah hair dye. So obviously I've done tutorials using Sophie Hannah hair dye before, but I haven't been able to show what the product was until today. So yeah, feeling a little bit sick because I'm like, oh my God, I'm actually like, this is properly sharing everything, the product, what it looks like, the design, yeah, the colours. So I really hope everyone loves it. Yeah, and then for the next kind of few days, we're going to be leaking photos from the shoot. I actually saw the photos today. They look amazing. So yeah, they're just editing them at the moment still and working on like videos and things and more content that we've done. But yeah, we are getting there. We're slowly getting there, ready for launch. It all seems a bit hectic and chaotic because everything's going on at once and there's a lot of elements to put together for the launch. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to shut up now because I feel like I've been talking for like 4 minutes straight. But yeah, excited to put the post out. My Christmas wreath has arrived. How cute is that? I didn't have time to make one this year, so I just ordered this from Flume. I'll pop a link below. But yeah, so beautifully made. Obsessed. Let's go hang it up. So I've got this little command hook that I hung last year on the door. So we're going to hang it off of that and then it will dangle down the front. All hung and looking beaut and Christmassy. Guys, I know I'm literally in the same outfit that I was yesterday, potentially the day before. Don't judge. Yeah, I mean, I've just been wearing these clothes at home, so it doesn't really matter. Robin's out of isolation now. I don't think I told you guys. So when he got back from New York, the rules, well, actually, before he went to New York, the rules changed and he had to do a PCR test, send it off and then isolate until he got his results back. But he's just got his results back. So now we can go food shopping together. Woo! So yeah, we're about to go food shopping. Just wanted to say thank you so much for your kind messages on the big hair dye reveal tutorial. Yeah, God, like so many of you are excited, which is amazing, like super grateful. Lots of you commented saying like you were surprised that I hadn't launched a blue hair dye, and I just wanted to say that more colours are coming, and also I think you guys will know this if you dye your hair a lot like me. Blues and greens stain your hair. Something in the pigment of it, super strong. I found it with every single blue hair dye brand I've ever tried. So I don't personally really want to put a blue hair dye out on the market that is going to stain your hair and then you guys end up having to go to your hairdressers and paying hundreds of pounds to get the stain out of your hair. Like, I just don't want to do that. So I'm trying to work on the blues and greens. And yeah, I'm trying to work on something innovative in the background. So those colours will be coming. As you guys know, I am obsessed with dyeing my hair blues and greens. They are like one of my favourite shades to dye my hair. But I just don't feel comfortable putting colours out on the market that are going to stain your hair. So everything that I'm putting out will fade and you will go back to blonde, which is amazing. So that's why I've kind of picked the colours that I've picked for the first launch, because I know they're going to fade out of your hair, and you're going to be able to change up your colour once it's faded. And yeah, you're going to be able to experiment, and you're not going to have to run to the hairdressers or try and figure out a way of getting rid of the dye out of your hair. So just hope that kind of clears up that. But yeah, hopefully I will be able to launch the really pigmented blues and greens soon. But yeah, I am working on it, don't worry guys. But there will be something coming soon with those shades. That's all I'm going to say for now. But yeah, I'm starving and I need to go and get some lunch. So I'm going to go food shopping. Guys, how insane does this pizza look? Homemade.
Not as good as mine.
Oh my God, Robin's gone for ham and pineapple. Is this illegal, guys? Because I love it too. What? Oh my God, that looks insane. Guys, I'm so friggin' annoyed. I just filmed my snow kind of Ice Queen look and yeah, took it off. Didn't vlog it. I'm having one of those days today where this vlog is just a nightmare actually, because this week has just been so crazy and I've just not really been on it. So like today's just been so stressful. This morning I went to come upstairs in my studio and start to film my Icy Queen look and couldn't find the earrings and I couldn't find the crown that I'd bought especially for this look. So then I had to go to Hobbycraft and they basically DIY a headpiece. So I managed to do one with Robin's help. I basically made this, which does look pretty epic. Like it does look cool. It's not like completely symmetrical and stuff because I had to rush it. But yeah, I mean, it looked pretty cool. So, oops, I just filmed that look. So I will show you a photo, but if you want to see the tutorial or glow ups or pictures of the look, it is actually live now on my Instagram and TikTok, so do check that out. But yeah, sorry I didn't show you a sneaky peek. Yeah, just my mind today, like I think it's like 7 o'clock, I've only just finished working. Obviously got delayed because of the crown I had to make. I had to film today as well because of my schedule. And yeah, just because I've been rushing, I just haven't really had time to even remember to vlog. So sorry, this vlog this week I think is just going to be me talking to you guys a lot, which isn't ideal because I like to show you guys bits and bobs and take you out and about with me. But yeah, just hectic. And I've just remembered I don't have my nose ring in and probably lost it. Oh dear, it's just one of those days. It's just one of those days. Where is it? I'm going to have to find it. Anyways, my skin is still sparkly from that look, but hey ho, hopefully it'll come off and all my little flyaways are sticking up. Oh dearie me, Coke Zero, that is what I need in my life. In my life right now. I'm just a mess. I'm a mess. Also, I just realised you're probably thinking, how the hell did you lose a crown and earrings in your house? And that's because I have so much stuff and I've had so many deliveries lately and I've clearly just put it somewhere. Or, to be honest, I don't even I remember getting the earrings, but I don't remember opening the headdress. But apparently it did get delivered, so it must have got delivered. Oh, I have no idea. Anyways, annoying. This is my Snow Queen look, guys. Epic. So pleased with how that turned out, actually. Guys, I have Grinched myself up. It is that time of year. I definitely think this is actually better than my Grinch I did last year. Especially like the skin and stuff and the shadowing. Yeah, I feel like that is a definite improvement. Sorry I sound funny. I literally cannot breathe with this nose on. I'm going to have to take it off in a minute. But yeah, just wanted to show you a little quick peek. Coming soon to Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. Woo! Look, guys, I am about to go to an MRI scan. Not really what I wanted to do on a Friday night. I was meant to be meeting my friend for dinner in London, but gotta do what I gotta do. So this is the MRI scan for my brain that my ENT recommended. And then I also am getting them to do an MRI on my lumbar spine, so the lower part of my back, just because I haven't really got anywhere with my back. It's cost me like 700 quid, but I feel like it's money well spent, really, because it's my health. So, and I didn't really want to wait on the NHS because obviously I'm still kind of on-off dizzy here and there. The medication's really, really helping, thank God. But that is about to run out soon, and the ENT doctor, the private one that gave me the medication, is on holiday. So kind of hoping he's back soon because kind of need to top up. But yeah, all my piercings are out and I'm ready to go. Wish me luck. Baby, Mummy got you a present. Yeah, got you a present. Are you excited to see? Yeah? Okay, well, it's not a toy or anything, but it's a special bed for a special girl. Yes. Baby, Chad, Mummy's silly. I did get you a toy. Mummy forgot. Lula, Mummy forgot. I did get you a toy. Should we go get it? Lula, Mummy got you a 10. Oh, big boy like, no, look at the 10, Lula. Go in your tent.
Lula.
In your tent. Look, in there. Oh. No, Mummy's not holding. Must have my camera. She thinks my camera's a toy. Oh, look, Lula. Wow. We got toys. You want a toy? Lula, why don't you take your new toy in your bed? Hey? You biting his nose off? You biting his nose off? Hey? Chacha, Lula's camping in here, look. She's camping. She's playing in her tent. Is it nice in there? Lula, do you like your tent? Too busy playing, aren't you, with your new toy? Hey? Oh, I cannot breathe again. But I thought it would be quite fun to turn myself into a Who. Little Whoville character from the Grinch. Obviously kept my purple hair because I wanted to kind of make it look a bit realistic. Like, if I was a Who, this is what I'd probably look like. I saw a few TikTokers do this and I thought it was quite fun for Christmas. But yeah, I desperately need to take it off because I cannot breathe. Yeah, it's so annoying. It's really difficult to get it like completely clean, this prosthetic. My face is too small for it. But yeah, it looks alright. It looks really fun. I had fun doing it. But yeah, I'm going to take it off now. Also going to leave you guys. Thank you so much for watching this week's vlog. I can't even talk because I can't breathe out my nose. So much saliva. Yeah, thanks so much for watching this week's vlog. I hope it was alright at the end. I don't even know. This week was just so stressful and just such a bit of a mess. But yeah, anyway, I took you along for the ride. Yeah. What was I going to say? Yeah, brand Sophie had a hair. Thought I'd tell you now because I can finally reveal the brand is launching. You guys probably can't even take it seriously like this, but you guys need to know this. So this is why I'm going to tell you right now, looking like this. The brand launches Sophie Had a Hair on Tuesday, so this Tuesday, 14th of December at 5 p.m. GMT London time. So yeah, you're going to want to get on the site, Sophie Had a Hair, and get shopping my semi-permanent hair colour. I cannot wait to see you guys try it out. I cannot wait to hear what you think, and yeah, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Sophie Had a Hair so you can see how you guys experiment with our colour. Yeah, amazing, so exciting, cannot wait. Anyway guys, gonna love you and leave you. Take care, stay safe, see you in another vlog very soon. Peace out.